Go. Welcome to
Okay, just took a look. Okay, I was looking for the big list and she just had. Okay, looking for the dishwasher for regular spoons. Look at those other ones.
Hi, and welcome to Bear Food Kitchen, where we make easy, delicious meals using the Instapop. My name is Tina Bear. If you are new to our channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. We would love to hear from you. Today we are making a super easy sloppy joe. We're just gonna throw everything in and eat it up. I started ahead by browning about 2 pounds of meat, and we got it all going. I broke it up and crumbled it. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. You could put as little or as much as you like. You want to make sure the meat is well seasoned. And let's stir that in. Oh yeah, so good. Chopped it up. So what I'm going to add to it is 1 onion. It's about 1 small onion. Let's get all the onion in there. And we have a celery. It's about 2 or 3 stalks of celery chopped up. And a bell pepper. Use any color that you like. And we're just going to stir this in. Make sure you combine it well. Ah, smells so good. I know you're going to love it. Okay, and so with that, we are going to add some tomato sauce. And 1 can of green chilies. It's not spicy, but it adds a great flavor. And some ketchup. Ketchup adds that little tang to it. We're also going to add some apple cider vinegar. Give it that little bit of a sloppy joe bite. A little bit of Worcestershire. Some chili. Whenever I hear Worcestershire, I think of Guy Fieri, because he's always asking everyone, how do you pronounce it? And a little bit of sweetness with some brown sugar, some garlic, some tomato paste. Get it nice and tomatoey. And some sweet chili paste. It's like that sweet chili sauce that you see in the markets. Adds so much to this. Just like that. We're going to combine this. I will set the pressure on high for 10 minutes. And then I'll make a slurry to thicken it up. Put it on some buns. Now you could turn this into a slider dish, which is what I'm going to do today, but you can get the big buns, like the brioche buns. Yum, so good. Oh, it smells already just like sloppy joes. It's delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. Set it on high for 10 minutes. First turn it off, turn saute off, put the lid on, seal, Set it on high for 10 minutes. And when we come back, I will show you what it looks like. Okay, so we went ahead and we naturally released for 10 minutes. And then I did a quick release, took out the rest of the pressure. Whoa, I love that. I know. Smells amazing. I am going to go ahead and I'm going to hit saute. I'm going to turn this off. Hit saute. And then we're going to make a slurry. And I'm going to thicken it up. So we're going to pour some cornstarch in the water. Get this nice, thick, deliciousness. That's a word. Is that a word? It is now. We're going to go ahead and pour it in. Give it a little zhuzh. Oh, smells so good. Now, you could turn this into a sloppy joe soup by adding some more liquid, or you could just take this meat and pour it over a baked potato. Don't think I didn't do that. Or crisp cut French fries. Oh my God, so good. Look how thick it got. So fast. It'll get thicker as it goes. And then we're gonna get some buns. Okay, so I have 2 slider buns. And I recommend getting the brioche bun and making it big and luscious, but this is what I had at home, so I didn't go out and buy any more. I thought, I'm gonna eat this up anyway, so I am gonna use my slider buns. So this is boiling away. I'm gonna turn it off. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. All we're gonna do is top the buns with a little bit of this deliciousness. Super hot. Oh my. Oh my gosh, it's so sloppy. Look at that. What? Where is my man to taste this? He's not here. Oh my God. It's so good and messy and delicious. It's sweet, tangy, beefy. It's so yummy. I hope you guys try this. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how you're doing. Find us on Twitter and Instagram and Facebook. Love to see you. Talk to you later. Be kind to each other.